What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Saturday morning as usual. We are heading to a 151 coffee meet. I've got my boy back there on the black Busa. We are running late as usual. Neither one of us woke up as early as we said we were going to this morning, so still popping out. Today there are a bunch of protests scheduled in the city. So, huge police presence today. Not sure if we're going to get down to Dallas to explore any of that, but provide some context just in case we run into anything later. I'm sure everywhere is having these protests today. I think it's some sort of a nationwide coordinated protest, so we might actually get down to Dallas to check it out. But yeah, right now we are pulling up to this 151 coffee motorcycle meet. We'll be there in just a couple of minutes. I'm gonna try to leave my camera on, but when I pull up to these events, I usually just turn the camera off, set the helmet on the bike, and I just enjoy my surroundings, hang out with the people I know. And that's pretty much it, but I keep forgetting to bring you guys along with me so you guys can see some of the bikes, some of the meat stuff, etc. Also, I forgot to mention, this is like the second time only I've been on this channel with no jacket. Yeah, right? Gotta get a channel on these pasty whites right here. Sounds good. He's got flames too? Hell yeah. Very nice. That Busa is louder than I remember it. Or maybe it's because he's always behind me. That thing sounds real good. Oh. Chick-fil-A breakfast burrito. Sounds absolutely fire right now. I think they stopped serving them. Well, they stopped serving them in like 20 minutes. May just have to sneak over there and grab me some chicken. Alright guys, we just pulled up. I'll be right back with you. Welcome back. Just leaving the 151 coffee meet. We stayed here an hour past when the meet was supposed to end. Oh, look at the Aston Martin there. It's pretty cool. Now it's time to go find something to eat. Alright guys, we are in Dallas, trying to find a place to grab some food. The lady almost hit me. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Trying to grab some food, do a little bit of exploring. It's just me and my boy on the other ZX6. We lost the Busa guy for now. We'll see if he comes back out. It is hot, but once we start moving, it feels so good to ride with in just a t-shirt. Except for on the highway. On the highway, it sucks. You get all those little rocks hitting your arm and stuff. I don't recommend riding without gear, but these Dallas drivers. This is why I always recommend to take it chill on the side streets, because you never know when something like that's going to happen. Somebody's just going to pull out right in front of you. And if you're going faster than the speed limit, you're just decreasing your reaction time by that much more. Leave the shenanigans for the highway, if you know what I mean. Which we actually have some. Might actually go there. There's some boba after. Hawaiian Bros right here too. We got options. Don't mind me, just rambling, trying to find some food. Doesn't help that I didn't eat breakfast today. We passed a Hawaiian Bros back there too. Could have had that. I thought about it. I pointed at you.
Oh, really? Yeah, I thought you were pointing at all the tracks.
Oh yeah, right. Do you want to go there? You want to try it out? All right, bet. Alright guys, we saw a little taco joint. Cruised right by. We actually made a quick U-turn. We're gonna head back to that. Check it out. Looks kind of ghetto, which is usually the best tacos. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully I don't need to be using the restroom for some other reason. Is this place good? Is this place good? All right. All right, guys. We just got here. We're gonna check it out. Get right back with y'all once we get back on the bike. All right, guys. Welcome back. We just finished up eating here. It's like Greenville Tacos or something. This place was actually really good. Oh, there it is. Greenville Street Tacos. This place was tasty. Super good. We're gonna head downtown. See if we can find any action. Got my boy on his ZX6. ZX6 cruising today. Oh, what a nice day out today. It is hot, but it's beautiful. What are we getting into here? Oh, we got a nice little 718 Boxster. Very nice, very nice. There's a ton of traffic here on 75 right now. So I do not know what we're gonna get stuck into. We'll see though. What the heck? It's like grass and leaves all over the road. Some landscaping truck probably dropped that bag. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier in the video, we've got all the protests that are supposed to be happening today. I haven't seen a single one yet. But there's definitely a heightened police presence here in Dallas, supposedly, today. There were like 30 state troopers heading down to this area earlier this morning. I had some things I was going to talk about in today's video, but as the day has progressed, I guess the sun just baked it right out of me. I cannot remember for the life of me what I was going to be talking about. I had a whole topic cooked up and everything. And this is why most of my videos are just a lot of me rambling and just random riding. So hats off to all these YouTubers that can keep a topic in their head in the midst of their day when they're out on the bike. Because I cannot, apparently. Every time I say apparently, I think of that little kid got the Wingstop headquarters over there. I've never noticed that that's a Wingstop sign up there. But that is a nice building. Looks like there's a little balcony halfway up. That's pretty cool. We got some crazy traffic down here. Sheesh. I'm gonna pop up here and see if we see any action. Alright guys, well we just cruised through some of downtown. It's Clyde Warren Park over there. And there was not any action happening over there, so we're just gonna go ahead and make our way back to Fuel City. Maybe we'll do some more checking around later. Alright guys, so I just noticed as I was looking around that the chopper is up there right past the Reunion Tower. So if I had to assume, that's gotta be where the protests are. So we're gonna grab energy drink and see if we can go find some protests. I hear sirens too, I don't know where it's coming from. Looks like we got a fire truck up there though. Yeah, I don't know what we got going on up here. Kind of a weird day to be in Dallas. Oh, it's a pretty nasty wreck. Yeah, I think it's just all in my head, but Dallas feels a little weird today. With all of the helicopters out. Look, he's still hovering up there. He's just sitting in one spot though. I wonder if that's a news helicopter. I don't think it is. I'll have to check. I don't think it's a news helicopter though. There ain't nobody here. Maybe that's a good thing. Yeah, Fuel City is completely empty. Got the chopper still hovering up there. Another bike rolling up. But yeah, I'm gonna grab an energy drink. I will be right back with y'all when we hop back on the bike. We are gonna go, oh look, we have another chopper up there. We're gonna go see if we can find the protest. Looks like it's like 10 minutes away. Check it out, let's see what's going on. Still sitting here at Fuel City. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna head back home now. We did not find any protests. Looks like everyone's pretty much going home. We saw a couple of interesting things, but that's about it. I may actually go pick up a white MoFlow jacket up at the dealership. So we'll see. Or I might pick up some pants. Either way.